Hi everyone, my name is Fernanda Riera and I'm going to answer the question, would you complain if? Okay, the first situation is, your bill at a restaurant was a bit too high. In this situation, I only pay because I see the things or I see the food that I order and I only pay because I ate the food. The second situation is you booked a hotel room with one large bed, but you got a room with two large beds. Okay, this problem is very common in the hotels, but I only call the person who administrates the hotel and I ask for my hotel room. Because if I booked a hotel room with one large bed, I hope receive that the thing specific I ask. Okay, you order a pizza, but they deliver the wrong one. Okay, this is a very annoying for me. It's too annoying because I want my pizza. I don't like the pizza that he sent me, and I immediately called the restaurant and I asked my order. The another situation is you order something online and it arrived a week late. Okay, if I order something online, I hope that this order arrived on time. But if isn't a case, I sent a message, I sent an email for the director of the company, and I guess that I choose another company. Okay, and the finally situation is you couldn't hear a film in the cinema because other people were too noisy. Okay, I would ask them to shut up and I wouldn't leave the cinema because I paid to see the film and I wouldn't go. Okay, these were situations of real life, and thank you for your attention. And no more, and bye.